The Ulefone Armor 2070 Pro versus the Blackview BL9000 Pro. Let's compare the specs, or rather the key specs of these two 5G rugged phones, and of course their prices. Now, these two 5G rugged phones have thermal sensors, which is one of the reasons why I decided to compare both of them. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So there we go, guys, the BL9000 Pro versus the Ulefone Armor 2070 Pro. Now, which of the two devices do you think is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.